Hello YouTubers! Gonna do a little modification to my guillotine tool here for blacksmithing. I built this a couple years ago, and now that I'm using it, this flaw in the design is just, I gotta fix it. What it is, for those that don't know, you put a bottom die in, and I welded a 3/8 round to the top of that, and then I've got the top die with the 3/8 round in it, and you can put those together, slip a hot piece of steel in there, and fuller it out. The problem with the design is, let me get this out of there, I put these two guides supports on top, which only gives me maybe a 1/2 inch width here for things that I can put on my dies. It has, let me give you a close-up of it. I'm going to try to attempt to blow sparks down instead of throwing them all over my shop. That'll do. All these braces are for is to keep those sides from splaying out after repeatedly pounding on them. So, let's clamp that down on there. Now we've got to change helmets and get the welder all fired up and ready to go. Which means just turning the gas on and flipping the switch. Let's go! just said that a while ago. To be honest with you, I was kind of dreading this project because I just didn't want to have to do it. It didn't take me probably 20 minutes. And now look at that opening. I could put pretty much anything on the end of one of these things and fit it down in there. Project complete. Ready to move on to another dreaded idea of a project. Another rebuild. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.